Hello, welcome to the disassembling and storing of the VIU 820 device. Make sure the device is already switched off. Disconnect the surge protector, power cord and AC adapter and put them inside the case. Make sure that all the other components have been properly placed inside the case. Such components include the paper rolls, the USB drives, cleaning cloth, and styluses. Disconnect the hammerhead from the VIU device by removing the USB cord connected to the device. Remove the hammerhead from the hammerhead arm by pressing the two locks and put them inside the case. Press the button to lower the hammerhead arm. Put the hammerhead arm down to its original position. Take the VIU 820 and place it inside the case. Place the remaining components inside the case. Close the case properly and take it to a safer place for storage. Thanks for watching and get prepared for the next video.